Hey everyone, and welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on using the sum function in Excel. So let's get started. The first thing we want to go over is our data set. So this is a data set of all different products, sporting goods, and the total number of sales that we had for the certain period. So we sold $300 worth of soccer balls, $600 worth of golf balls, $2,025 of hockey helmets, and $1,375 worth of baseball bats. Now what we want to do is we want to add these four items up and get the total. Now there's a few different ways we can do that. The first one, and very simply, if we just want to get a reference, is we can highlight the four and then look down here in the bottom corner and it says sum. $4,300. So that is the sum total of all four of these. The next way we can do it is we can add them up manually. We can say equals, telling the Excel program that we want to use a formula. We can say equals, and then we click on the first one, and then we say plus, because we want to add it to this one. And then we want to do another plus and add it to this one, and then add it to the fourth value. And when we hit enter there, you can see it says $4,300. And in the formula, you can see it says equals C2, this cell C2, plus cell C3, plus cell C4, plus cell C5, and we get $4,300. Now, there's another way we can do this as well without having to put in each cell and putting in addition into each one. And by doing that, we can go up here to auto sum. And when we do that and we click auto sum, it automatically determines what it thinks we want to add together. And in this case, because of where we had our cursor in this cell, it decided that, oh, okay, maybe they want to add in all of those cells right above it. And we do. And you can see the formula here. It says equals sum C2, which is cell C2, colon to C5. So it's taking into account all of those, and we can enter, and now we see it's $4,300. And we can also find this in a different way. Now up here in the corner, it's auto sum is kind of a default, but you can hit the down arrow, you can click sum, you can also go to more functions, and you can actually find sum, similar type thing. And when you click it, it'll say your number one, so it tells you where do you want it to value. So we can just highlight those and say okay, and there we go, $4,300. And those are the different ways that you can use the sum function in Excel. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our video, and make sure to check out the next one.